Yep, so hello guys, today I want to talk about my predictions for the year 2026 and predictions for this trading week, for my first trading week of 2026. Tomorrow it's Monday, 5th of January, so that will be my first trading day of this year. And let's take a look on this yearly time frame or the 12 months time frame. And as you can see, that the year 2025 had a lot of volume. You can see if you look at the previous years, the 2025 had the most volume. And if you look here, there are some predictions. Right now we are on 25,385 and price should be expanding, and in the year of 2030 price should get to 30,000. Yeah, so my expectations for this year are bullish, and this is my yearly draw on liquidity. I believe that we will go much more further than this level, than the 26,400, let's say. I think we will go much higher. Then, if we go on a monthly time frame, you can see that price retraced into a small bullish fair value gap, and you can see that it bounced off that and went higher. So I think that we will. This is my yearly draw on liquidity, and I think that price will hit it like soon, in 3 months or in 6 months. So that's my predictions for the year. Yeah, I don't think that we will like expand lower. Yeah, maybe this week right here. I will put a quadrants on that. I will be watching on early time frame. I'm just watching this week, this week, and this week. So these two candle wicks, I will be watching this year, nothing else, and of course this one. Yeah, right now we are like below this week, so let's see how price reacts when it will be around the start or the bottom of this week. Yeah, so let's get into a weekly time frame. So this 5th of January, that's my first trading week of the year 2026, and let's get into it. So as you can see, uh, this is like new week opening gaps indicator, and you can see that we have one new week opening gap right here, and price retrace into that and respected it. So I will pop it on. There is another small one, and I will pop out the new day opening gaps. Wait, and 20. Yeah. So you can see the new week and new day opening gaps, and these are the most important to me. Of course, there's this one, but I would use that for a target, and we'll get into it later. So this week, this is the monthly BC and extend right. As you can see, this week in November, it swept like a huge amount of sell side liquidity. So I will mark that, and it retraced into the monthly buy side inefficiency, sell side imbalance. Yeah, and we have some like weekly gaps, but yeah, I will just mark out the monthly one. So it swept this sell side liquidity. liquidity and it went higher. Yeah, so I'm already looking for higher prices. So this is what last candle, last down close candle after the sell side liquidity being swept. So I will mark that as a weekly order block. Yeah, we can put on quadrants on that to see how price reacts. So I will put them on, but let's see how price reacts of that. Then if we go on a daily time frame, we can see that we are already in OTE, in the optimal trade entry right here. So I'm expecting higher prices this week. If we go on the 4-hour time frame, you can see this down close candle. That's a bullish order block. Yeah, there is a inverse fair value gap, but I'm not gonna mark that. But it is like another point where price could bounce off. Yeah, so then if you go on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that price swept this sell side liquidity. It retraced into the OTE optimal trade entry and it swept this 1-hour low on a Friday. I will pop on these indicators. You can see that price swept previous day's low. That's a Thursday. Yeah, so Friday swept the Thursday's daily low. So I think price will go higher because there is a lot of damage on these sell side liquidities. Yeah, so what could you use for your targets? Yeah, so the first target, wait, let me get the new week opening gaps. So I think the best target right here in this wall range is somewhere near the equilibrium right here. So if you measure equilibrium of this range and if you measure equilibrium of this range, you can see that it is exactly the same. Yeah, so that could be your target if you are bullish, or just this high. I will mark it out because that's important high. Where is it? Yeah, right here. Then if you go on a 15-minute time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, wait, we have this huge bearish fair value gap. So I'm gonna mark it like this and give me like 2%. Yeah, just so we see that, or maybe I will change the color. Yeah. So that's the 1-hour bearish fair value gap. So we can watch that, how price reacts of that. We can watch this week. I will put the quadrants on that. Yeah, like this. And middle, yeah. No, like this. Yeah. So I will be watching this week. That's basically order block because it's the last closed candle before down closed candle after the sell side liquidity sweep. So my bullish for this week are bullish. I'm expecting this to be my drawn liquidity and this to be my drawn liquidity. That's, and let me mark this. Previous week's high. That's right here. So what I would like to see. Let me mark the 9:30 open on Monday. That's right here. Let me scroll down. That's the 1-hour wick, 1-hour order blocks wick. and I would like to see something like this to consolidate, create or create engineered sell-side liquidity right here, then sweep of the sell-side liquidity at 9:30 or 10 a.m. Right here, and then price should reverse higher, and it should look like this. Yeah, so price consolidates, it creates some engineered sell-side liquidity. Then you can see we have this 15-minute low with this 15-minute bullish fair value gap right here. So I would like to see price do something like this. Then basically just some basic like ICT 2022 entry model. No, I mean OCE. Let me pop it up. Yeah, right here, OCE, just like this. And then I would like to see higher prices. So that's my prediction for this week. I wish you luck, guys, and have a great trading week. Yeah, bye bye.